Okay, eto na po, si Carl.
Hey! Yellow model chick, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yup, this stuff is like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Latest of me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what would you say? She wants it all up, Mr. Miyagi, and then suicide door. I'm Curry, I'm done. Go! Hey! Cause I feel like I'm running and I feel like I gotta get away. But I know that I wanna be stopped. Cause you know I gotta win every day. See, they don't really wanna pop me. Just know that you would never flop me. And I know that I can be that cocky. Oh, you would never gonna flop me. Every time I come at you, you gotta send it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, and I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it, and another thing, and you think you do, because it doesn't matter, so you gotta, then I'm gonna murder everything and everything about who I'm about to be, gotta do, and I think to make your talk, couple things and most, getting in again. And I moved to the now moved to the bottom, taking better core up and I buying on my side, taking on the numbers. When I me know when it's an out, banging on my chest, banging it east, banging it west, and coming in more. Now I never give a lecture to hear the street to go with it and rest. You didn't want to know what's next. See the way beyond up in the race, and you know I gotta go and try to keep with the bass. You're chugging on hunting and sitting and getting it, and always gotta get a ticket to, and then I face, taste it, and I grab it. And I got off through a shop, it just to be on the top of the drum, then I know I gotta have it. Look at me now, what? I'm getting paper. Look at me now. What? I'm first. What?
Alright, Carl! Galing ah!
Sige po.
Galing ano? Paano mo nagagawa yun? Pinapractice mo ba yan?
Opo, practice po.
Parang si ano? Si Glock 9.
Opo.
Ang galing ha? Pwede kayong magsabay ni Glock 9, di ba?
Thank you po.
Alright, Carl, you have 7,000!